Remove the screw. Remove the other screw. Open the fuser unit. Remove the fuser shutter. It has 2 pins. Move the shutter up, then unlock the left pin. Slide the shutter to the left and remove it. These levers are paper sensors. Separate the 2 halves of the unit, upper fuser roller and lower fuser roller. Press this tab and remove this connector. Remove the other connector in the same way. Remove the screw. Remove the plastic part. On the other side, remove the screw. Remove the other plastic part. Remove the heater lamp. Lift up the upper fuser roller. This is the thermistor and the thermal fuse. Remove the bushing. On the other side, remove the gear and the other bushing. Remove the screw. Remove the screw. Remove the cover. Remove the metal contact plate. Unlock this tab. Unlock the other tab. Remove the plastic shaft. Lift up the lower fuser roller assembly and remove it. Remove the 2 side plates of the lower fuser roller. Reinstall the 2 side plates on the lower fuser roller. Insert the fuser roller into its place. Push down the roller, then insert the plastic shaft with the hooks. Insert the metal plate. Install the cover. Install the two screws of the cover. Reinstall the bushing. Insert the other bushing and the gear. Install the upper fusel roller. Insert the heater lamp. Don't touch it with your fingers. Reinstall the plastic part and the screw. Install the other plastic part and the other screw. Insert the connector. Insert the other connector. Reinstall the cables. Join the two parts of the fuser unit. Install the cover, starting from the right pin. Close the fuser unit. Install the two screws. And the work is done.